How to recover Snapchat lost streak. You woke up and your Snapchat streak is gone. Days, weeks, maybe even months of consistency wiped out overnight. Before you accept it as lost forever, in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to get it restored in 2026. Step 1. Act fast. Snapchat streak restoration has a time window, and the sooner you submit your request after losing the streak, the higher your chances of getting it back. Do not wait more than 24 to 48 hours after noticing the streak is gone before taking action. Step 2. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the settings gear in the top right, scroll all the way down and tap I need help. This opens Snapchat's support portal directly inside the app where streak recovery requests are handled. Step 3. Inside the support portal, tap the search bar and type Snapstreak. Select the option that says My Snapstreak disappeared from the results. This takes you directly to the official streak recovery form that Snapchat uses to review and restore lost streaks. Step 4. Fill out the recovery form completely and accurately. Enter your Snapchat username, the username of the friend you had the streak with, approximately how long the streak was, and the reason you believe it was lost unfairly, such as a technical glitch, app crash, or notification failure. Be honest and specific because vague submissions get lower priority. Step 5. Submit the form and check the email linked to your Snapchat account for a response. Snapchat's support team typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. If your streak loss was caused by a genuine technical issue on Snapchat's end, they will restore it directly without requiring anything further from you. Step 6. If your first request is denied, submit a follow-up immediately. Reference your original case number if provided and add any additional detail about why the streak was lost. Many users who were denied on the first submission successfully recovered their streak on the second request. Pro tip to prevent losing your streak again going forward: enable Snapchat notifications fully so you never miss the 24-hour send window. Go to your phone settings, find Snapchat, tap notifications, and make sure all alerts are turned on. The streak reminder notification Snapchat sends is your safety net, and missing it is the #1 reason streaks get lost in the first place. To recap, act within 48 hours. Go to Settings, then I Need Help, search Snapstreak, fill out the recovery form accurately, wait for an email response, and follow up if denied. Your streak is recoverable if you move quickly. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tips and fixes, and drop a comment below telling me how long your streak was. I read every single one. See you in the next one.